Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Bidda. We know that medical science proved adult content is very harmful for a normal human. Even it is more harmful for a children brain. It's like drug addiction. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block adult site from your children phone. I hope this video will be very helpful for you because in this video I am going to show you two easiest process for block adult sites. So if you really want to learn this full process, please watch this video till the end. So let's start the video. At first I will show you the first method. If this is not work for you, you can try second method. I will show you another method. So in first method, first of all you need to go to your settings in your mobile phone. Then scroll down. Then you will see here connection and sharing. Click on this option. After that you will find here private DNS. If you not find here this option, just get back from here and scroll up, go to search in settings and type here private DNS. And search it. As you can see, this option is come here, so you can find it like this. Just click on this option. Maybe in your phone this will be off. Here click on private DNS provider host name and then type here this link adult-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. I will provide this link in the description box so you can check it from here. Then just click on save. Maybe in some of Android phone this private DNS is not available. Don't worry. Now I will show you the second process. If in your default mobile settings here is not private DNS option, then you can also enable this option by this second method. So let's jump in the second process. As you can see, it's my another phone. In this phone there is not any private DNS option in default settings. So now I will show you second process in this device. First of all, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. If not, then update it. Okay, after that open your Chrome browser. Then click on this three dot option. Then go to settings. After that scroll down and go to privacy and security. Then scroll down, you will see here safe browsing. Click on this option. Make sure it is in standard protection. Okay, then just get back from here and scroll down. You will see here another option, use secure DNS. Just click on this option. After that click here, choose another provider. Now you can put here this adult filter link. I will provide this in description. Or if you want to do it more easily, then just click here down arrow and select clean browsing family filter. Now your work is done. Get back from here, and if you also search here any adult content, you will not find here any adult sites. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Or if you're interested in this topic, please let me know in the comment box because I will make video on how to control your child phone by your own phone. So please let me know in the comment box. And thanks for watching this video.